Call history. It allows to obtain the call logs based on different parameters or filters. A specific date range. Here we define a specific date range. PIN. The PIN refers to a specific username. Group refers to a specific groups of people. Status. The status of the call you require to search for. Type is the type of call. Usually the all option is selected. Destination. You will have to enter a code for the search, either 506 for Costa Rica, 55 for Brazil, or the code of the specific area you want to search in the history. Terminated by. It is the element that ended the call, sender or receiver. Quantity per page. Number of calls that is required to be viewed per page when selecting the option to view the results on the screen. Additionally, an option is offered to download a CSV file that you can manipulate later. These are the records of the calls for the defined filter. Additionally, it shows the summary by endpoint. For each user, it indicates the number of incoming and outgoing calls. If you want to know about these and other functionalities or open a case, you can contact our customer service center. We will gladly assist you.